Good day, doctor. I'm Lim Ming Singh. My metric number is 24006135. Today, I'd like to talk about the first order circuit in blood pressure monitor. Before I start my presentation, I'd like to talk with you about the procedure of my presentation today. First is introduction of blood pressure monitor. Next is function of blood pressure monitor. Third is component function. Fourth is first order circuit. Fifth is RC circuit analysis. And the last is conclusion. Before I go any further, I would like to do an introduction about the blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure monitor is a device used to measure the blood pressure. It is composed of an inflatable cuff to collapse and then release the artery under the cuff in a controlled manner. A mercury or aneroid manometer will be used to measure the pressure. Manners by manometer are used with a stethoscope. Now, I would like to introduce to you about the function of blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure monitor will be used to measure the force of blood against the walls of arteries as the heart pumps it around the body. It also presents the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. What is systolic pressure? Systolic pressure represents the pressure in the arteries when the heart is contracted. What is diastolic pressure? Diastolic pressure represents the pressure in the arteries when the heart is relaxed. Next, I will talk about the component function of blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure monitor is composed of cuff, pressure gauge, and displays. Cuff inflates around our upper arm to release blood flow temporarily. Pressure gauge measures the pressure exerted by the blood on the artery walls. Displays show the systolic and diastolic pressure readings. Now let's look at the concept of first order circuit. The voltage response of RC circuit are shown in the equation and graph here. First order transient circuits are described by a first order differential equation. First order circuit contains a resistor and only one type of storage element, either inductor, which is the RL circuit, or a capacitor, which is the RC circuit. Next, this is the circuit diagram of signal filter and amplification process in the blood pressure monitor. As you can see, this is the first order circuit consists of RC circuit. In a blood pressure monitor, signal filtering and amplification process are crucial for obtaining accurate blood pressure. These are the 5 points of explanation of the process. Last, I will do the conclusion about the blood pressure monitor. In the blood pressure monitor, amplification and filtering are important because amplification ensures that weak signal can be detected, while the filtering ensures the signal are not distorted by noise, while the signal amplification and filtering help make blood pressure measurement consistent. That's all for me. Thank you.